Hey guys, Mr. Thayer here, 3rd grade, Syracuse Academy of Science and Citizenship, back with another math lesson today. Today we're going to look at Module 1, Lesson 17. It's kind of doubling up on 16. We're going to multiply by 4, and we're going to divide by 4. We're going to look at a couple of problems, and we're going to model the relationship between multiplication and division. Today's lesson kind of piggybacks off what we did yesterday, and today is another one of those days where I'm going to kind of model a lesson and show you how to break some things down and solve some problems. So first things first, just a very quick warm-up. Very important here, looking at 4 and the factors, and counting by 4s right here. Let's just rattle through these quick. These are going to be important to know when we get into our problems in a few minutes. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. One more time. Say it with me, please. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. Remember, all we were doing right there was we were counting by 4s. And I told you guys, if you get stuck, just think about where you're at and just add 4 more to it, and so on and so forth. As you practice this, it gets a lot easier to know. All right. Also, let's go through our multiplication. Oh, I got a couple things got erased right there. Let me fix those up. There we go. That should do it. Let's go through our math problems for 4. We got 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. And 4 times 10 is 40. All right? One more time, let's knock those out. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. And 4 times 10 is 40. All right? That's multiplying by 4s. Again, just got to practice those. And tell you, it'll get easier as you do it. So today, I have 2 word problems, and we're just going to work through it. Your job today is just to kind of watch what I do here and how I break this down and find out what pieces of the word problem are going to go where and how we're going to work this. All right. So our first question is, the waitress arranges 32 glasses into 4 equal rows. How many glasses in each row? Okay. As you can see here, I added this, but they didn't give us an array. They didn't give us anything. They just gave us the word problem. So we have to work through what they gave us. They told us that there's 32 glasses in 4 equal rows. So we know we have 32 glasses, and we have to break them into 4 equal rows. 4 equal rows. So basically, that problem is going to be 32 divided by 4 equals blank. Okay? So 32 glasses into 4 equal rows. Okay? So we got to think about what's going to go. So we know we have 4 rows right here. Okay? What is going to work in that situation there? We know that we have 4 rows. There's 32 glasses. Okay? 32 divided by 4 equals what? Okay, we can also approach it this way, where we can think of, we have 4 rows times something equals 32. Okay? So what could we do here? All right? Some good strategies here. This is going to kind of be, unless you know right off, if you know your multiplication factors, you can answer this very, very simply. But you might be in a situation where you can't. So let's just kind of look at let's look at 4 things. Let's plug in some numbers and we'll do some trial and error. So let's go let's say 2 glasses in each row. They're equal, so 2, 4, 6, 8. That would give us 8 glasses total. That's not going to work. That's going to be, that's too little. All right, so 32 rows divided by 4. It's not going to work. Let's try 10. How about, let's go with 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40. Little bit closer, but 40, that's too much. We want 32. So we know 10 is too much, and we know that 2 is too little. So we got to know it's between 2 and 10. So we could keep working out different numbers here. But if we think back to what times 4? 4 times something equals 32. We think about our math factors there. 4 times something equals 32. What could that be? What could that answer be? Okay. So let's work with the number 8 and see what happens. Let's try that out. So here we have 8 glasses in the first row. All right, let's count up by 8. Let's count by 8s here. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There you go. All right, let's count 8 more. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24, there we go. Let's count up 8 more. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Ah, there we go. So 32, we got it there. So we know that in each row, there are 8 glasses. Okay, 8 glasses. 8, 16, 24, 32. We see how we finished that up right there? We got to 32. Okay, 4 times 8 equals 32. And 32 divided by 4. If I have 32 glasses and I break them into 4 groups, I would have 8. Okay? If I wanted to, I could take some time here and I could go back and actually draw. Let's see if I can just erase this with my hand here. I could go here, and if I really wanted to do that, I could draw 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I could just count 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. And each one of these groups has 8 in it. I could go through and I could work it that way if I wanted to, if I was a little trying to figure out what goes in there. All right, so 4 times 8 equals 32, or 32 divided by 4 equals 8. All right, so the waitress had 8 glasses in each row. Okay, now just to come back to this is why I put this paddle up to start us off, because some of you might have seen, oh wait, I saw that when we went through, I saw the 4 times 8 and the 32, and it made things a lot easier for me. So sometimes we see these numbers and we can kind of put them together. There's a lot of patterns happening there. So that's good if you caught that with the 32. All right? So that was the first problem. Like I said, you can break it down like that. You can kind of use the trial and error, but you have to have those numbers kind of match up here. Now here's our second question. All right? This one we can approach a little bit different as well. It is the baker packs 36 muffins in boxes of 4. Find the number of boxes he packs. All right? So we know we have We know we have 36 muffins total, and we know each box contains 4 muffins, right? Each box contains 4 muffins. So basically what we're going to do here is we know it's 36 divided by 4 is going to give us our answer. 36 muffins in boxes of 4. We want to know how many boxes, how many packs is he going to have. So what we're going to do here is we're going to count by 4s until we hit 36. All right, so it's a little bit different. We're just going to keep adding 4 to it till we get to 36, and we're going to count up how many packages we have. So we know we have 1 package of 4. 2 packages would be 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. We're adding 4 more. Got 12 so far. Are we there yet? Not yet. Add 4 more. 13, 14, 15, 16. Not quite. Still going, still going. 4 more to that. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Still going. 21, 22, 23, 24. Still going. 25, 26, 27, 28. Still going. Remember, we got to get to 36. 29, 30, 31, 32. Erase that a little bit here. 32. Very good. Getting closer. Let's go one more. 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay? So there we go right there. We broke down the 36 muffins in boxes of 4. All right? So how many packs of muffins did he have? So all we need to do, let's count up our packs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. He had 9 packs. Each pack had 4 muffins, and 36 divided by 4 equals 9. Okay? So right there, we just counted by 4s to get us where we needed to be. All right? So we used the problem up top. The baker packs 36 muffins in boxes of 4. How many boxes did he have to pack up? He had to pack up 9 to get those all evenly distributed. So 36 divided by 4 equals 9. All right? So there you go. 2 different problems. The second one was a little bit easier because we knew what we were looking for. We knew we were counting by 4s, and we worked that through. The first question, we had to really kind of think about things and kind of have a little bit of trial and error in there. But like I said, going back to understanding how to count by 4s, skip count by 4, and knowing the multiplication facts of 4 is huge when it comes to this stuff. All right, so head over to the lesson, under the lesson ticket. Fill out those problems that I have for you. I think you're going to be multiplying and dividing by 4. I'll check them, and I'll give you feedback. Mr. Thayer saying, have a great day. I will see you soon.